Sige. So, I just want to share with you my pictures, souvenir pictures during the wedding of Daisy. I-share ko lang kasi gwapong-gwapo talaga ako dito sa picture na ito. Ewan ko lang. Bahala na kayo. Bahala you. Basta para ako, gwapo ko dito picture. Anyway, this is my picture, not yours. Kung ayaw nyo mag-agree, then so be it. Basta, this is my picture, and I love me. Pakita ko sa inyo. I don't know if you're going to agree. First picture is ito. This is me. This is my picture. Oh, diba? Pogi yan, bro. Pogi yan. Look at that. Diba? Sarap. Parang mati ni Idol. Next picture. Ayan. Look at that. Diba? Apo yan, be. Pero take note, hindi na yan single. Take na yan. Okay, next picture is with my friends. This is Portia. This is Mommy. This is Raymar. And this is me. Look at that. Pogi, di ba? Ewan ko na lang. Meron pa akong isang picture dito. Ayan, apat din kami. Still apat. Pero look at that. Di ba? Tingnan mo. Pogi yan, boy. This is Raymar. This is Mommy D. This is Portia. Tingnan mo, boy. Ang gwapo niyan. Diba? So, ano masasabi ninyo? Di ba, pogi? Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Kung gusto niyo yung picture, message nyo lang ako, bibigay ko sa inyo. Comment down below, follow, and support me for everything I do. Bye.